Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, they say no one in this world is perfect, but so many of us spend our lives feeling guilty for not being there yet. Whether it's our career, our habits, or just how we feel about ourselves, we all have areas we want to improve. But what does it actually mean to be a better person? Is it just about the money or the job? In today's video, we're going deep into why self-improvement is the ultimate key to success, and I'll be sharing 10 life-changing tips to help you become the person you've always wanted to be. Let's dive in. The path to becoming a better version of yourself. It is often said that no one in this world is perfect, which is why everyone needs improvement. Self-improvement is essential for success in any area of life. A better person isn't defined solely by expensive clothes, wealth, or a high-ranking job. Rather, they are defined by their behavior, the respect they command in society, their habits, and their approach to work. While many want to become better, not everyone succeeds due to various reasons or excuses. To achieve what we truly desire, we must stop making excuses and start working on ourselves. 10 essential self-improvement tips. 1. Love and respect yourself. The foundation of improvement is self-love. We often claim to love ourselves, but in reality, we are often our own harshest critics. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison only breeds resentment. Understand that everyone is special in their own way, including you. As you embrace your own skills and qualities, you stop being your own enemy. 2. Stop people-pleasing. You cannot make everyone happy, and trying to do so is an exhausting and impossible task. If you take on the responsibility of everyone else's happiness, you will eventually burn out and end up disappointed. Prioritize your own peace and happiness first. 3. Change your habits. Habits make or break a person. Small changes, like waking up early to exercise, meditate, or learn a new skill, make your life more productive. To break a bad habit, try to avoid it strictly for 21 days. By the 22nd day, it becomes significantly easier to maintain. 4. Have a goal in life. Goals provide direction. Having a goal is like having a map. It gives you inspiration, energy, and a new perspective on life. Watching yourself grow a little bit every day is a magical experience. Start with small steps and visualize your success. 5. Accept your failures. Failure is a natural part of stepping out of your comfort zone. It doesn't mean you've lost. It just means that specific attempt didn't work. Learn from the reasons behind the failure, adapt, and take the next step. 6. Exercise and meditation. Meditation helps you focus on yourself and let go of negative thoughts. A peaceful mind allows you to understand who you truly are. Meanwhile, exercise is the only way to keep the body fit. Without physical health, you cannot perform any task to your full potential. 7. Be grateful. We often chase what we don't have and ignore the blessings we already possess. Desires are never ending. If you aren't happy with what you have now, there is no guarantee you will be happy once you get what you're chasing. Practice gratitude to overcome jealousy and overthinking. 8. Continuous learning. Learning a new skill boosts self-confidence and keeps the mind sharp. It creates a positive cycle of growth. When we stop learning, we stagnate. Constant learning ensures that your mind stays young and observant regardless of age. 9. Stop wasting time. Time management is key to self-improvement. Avoid spending excessive time on a single task. Create a to-do list and assign specific time limits to your work. This ensures all your responsibilities are met without feeling overwhelmed. 10. Develop a reading habit. Reading makes you a better communicator and a more creative thinker. Whether in your career, relationships, or social circles, the ability to express yourself clearly is vital. Reading expands your knowledge and helps you represent yourself more effectively. Conclusion: by following these steps, you will begin to see a significant transformation in your personality and life. Self-improvement is a journey, not a destination. Becoming a better version of yourself doesn't happen overnight. It happens one small choice at a time. Pick just one of these 10 tips and start today. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start, but you have to start to be great. If you found value in these tips, hit that like button and let me know in the comments, which habit are you going to work on first? Don't forget to subscribe for more steps on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.